Yeah, hello, Daniel. How's it going? What's up, everybody? Oh, yep. I'm great, great. I'm excited to trade today. The market went up like crazy. We will see the charts in a second. And I had a crazy move on Wish yesterday. We talked about it. I'll show you a little bit of the move that it had. So go ahead, Daniel. Take it away with the news. Yes. Just a little bit, actually. No, 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 not really. Mhm. Okay. Mm. Like in any politicians, right? So any kind of speech, whatever, it's written by professionals that know exactly how the market will react if they will say X or Y, and yeah. Nice. I'm just keeping it in my head, not saying out loud. Okay. Mm-hmm. Right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Whoa, amazing. That is insane. Well, wait a minute. What kind? What is the symbol? Do you remember? Oh dear. Wow, crazy. Look, guys, if you listen to that, look how manipulated the market is. The people that are inside, the CEO, the CFOs, the shareholders, yeah, board of executives, all of them, and 90% of the companies are corrupted. I mean, seriously, and this is something that you got to remember, and it affects your life regardless the trading. It affects your life on a daily basis. Vaccines or laws, like okay, and although here in Israel people are getting like kids getting vaccinated, yeah, at the moment. I mean, at the end, Wall Street, is selling us the things that they want us to buy. Remember that. They don't have any interest in our life. They don't really care if we will live or die. They just want to make their money. So you gotta remember that all the way, not just in trading, in your life. Remember that. People are manipulating the prices and the news in order for them to sell you something. Yeah, yeah, yeah. True. Yeah, definitely. So, yeah, let's go to the charts. Okay, so we're looking at, like always, Nasdaq and S&P 500. Going on a 1H at the moment, 1H chart, 1 hour of trading each bar. And yesterday we actually, let's start with the S&P. Yesterday we actually said that the price will decline, then continue higher. I actually expected the price to drop down from those areas, like the 4,180, around that level. The price continued rapidly high. That was pretty nice to see, and also took a nice trade on RUN and PINS. And at the moment we broke through that resistance level. As you can see, a false break, drop down and rising back up. So if I'm trying to analyze the move for today, um, in my opinion, we will continue. I don't know if today, but like the next 2 3 days, we will probably go higher to retest those levels of the 4,230, around that area, and only then drop down. So in my opinion, even if we will drop down from this level, make sure you're looking to buy the S&P or stocks at around this level of 4,210, 13, and then we will continue higher to this resistance level, and from that point start selling. So this is the S&P. Similar to that is the Nasdaq. Was a little bit aggressive yesterday in the downfall, and also in the like the downfall, and also in the push up. Looking pretty good right now again, to maybe even cross that all-time high that we made like 2 3 days ago. And basically we have this small support level here, so make sure you see it's actually a nice level from here as well. So make sure you see it hold. If it will hold, then you can continue going long all the way to the new all-time high. Just make sure you're watching. The Nasdaq is more aggressive at the time, at least more aggressive than the S&P. So it depends on what you want to play with. If we're looking at the VIX, the volatility index, looking good to the downside. So sitting on the 20 points, looking pretty good to the downside all the way to the 1940. And maybe then continue to this support level at 1850. That means that the price of the market will continue to rise. Obviously in the middle you have the 19, or this support level. Then we will have plenty of like plays or along the way. So make sure you watching carefully the VIX as well if you want to do some reversal trading. Let's go to the stocks and see what we have for today. Plug, you mentioned Daniel. Daniel, you're on mute, right? Yeah. Okay, so PLUG at the moment opening pretty much at the same price it closed yesterday. So nothing to do with it at the moment, at least. Tillery could be interesting, TLRY. I bought it yesterday. Yeah, bought it yesterday right at the bottom at 1650, 1645. Went up amazing, just $1 up. Now trading at the highs of yesterday, so if it will break through the 1750, we might see a nice momentum move to the upside, maybe even to the 18. That will be amazing. Other than that, what's the symbol for that stock from yesterday? TR, yeah, this one, TRCH. Yeah, have you seen it yesterday? Did you say? Okay, so I made it dropping nicely at the moment. After made a nice momentum move. Yeah. So at the moment at 940, uh, you might want to look for an uptrend, like to reverse on that around the, well, that's a long move to the downside, around the 820, 830, something about that, something like that. I will watch it today. Wish could also be interesting for today, trading around the 14. Yesterday I made a short. I took a short there. 3 times I added in my position. The first one was at the 13, right here. Then it went up. I added more as it reached the pivot here at 1330, and then added more when it reached the 70. So I shorted it, okay, averaging up. I shorted it every time we reached that resistance levels, and then I had another 2,000, a little bit more than 2,000 shares waiting at 98, 1398. Missed it by 2 cents. It dropped down and went all the way down from that point. I would have made about $3,000 if I would have got filled. Seriously, crazy. Yeah, very. Uh huh. Yeah, writing on the wall, guys. I took Ren from here, 49.20. That was a nice trade as well after it dropped down. One of our favorite strategy to trade, the SMM, smart money manipulation, and also pins. That was by like a good accident, because one of my friends is trading and he took it short from here. He shorted it from here, and then he said, "Oh my God, it went all the way up." He sent me like a picture in the WhatsApp, and then he actually didn't make money because he waited for it to drop down more. But as soon as it went up to his like the entry price, he got out. He stopped out the entry price. Then the price dropped down, and I took it from here. That was a classic move of SMM, smart money manipulation, all the way up. Got out right at the top. Um, so yeah, those are the stocks. Let me see if I have anything on my scanner at the moment. Let's see at the pre-market if we have any activity. MVs, I'm still shorting it. I shorted it. I added a few hours ago, just at the beginning of the pre-market. I added another shares, like I bought more shares. I mean, a big loss there. Uh, yes, yes, that's true. No, maybe later. AMC is dropping as far as I know. Actually, I saw it moving up. Let's check it out in a second. GameStop is moving nicely up right now, touching the 220. Yep, I'm I'm watching it. I wanna go in today at AMC. GME as well, but AMC, it's my favorite. Been uh, uh, yes, I'm thinking even buying the breakout here at 56. You know, yeah, it could do anything. Um, but yeah, I might buy it around the 56. Maybe if it will break through and then retest the 56 again, or the like the 200 TMA. Yeah, yeah, it looks pretty good. Uh, Lots of positive momentum we'll get in case we will break the 56. Yeah. So other than that, I don't see anything interesting on my scanners at the moment. Let's see some upgrades or downgrades. Do we have anything? CRWD pushing higher? Not really. What I wanted actually to check and see if we have some IPOs. Have you checked it lately? Yeah. So let's see if we have anything interesting here for today, the 22nd. 22nd. Okay, we only got the YMM, a billion point eight. What the fuck? That that's too much. Yeah, a billion point eight. You usually looking what? You're looking for 100 million, but a billion point eight. That's a lot. Yeah, that's true. Hmm. Yeah. Okay, this is a Chinese, I'm guessing, company. Um, okay, yeah. Mm, mm. I have no idea what they're saying. How is your Mandarin? 你好吗? It looks like I don't know, it might be because I see the symbol, I see the logo, and it's also said full truck alliance. So might be like a movers or something like that. Mm. Backed by also Goldman Sachs, the underwriter, Morgan Stanley. Hmm. So so we got like just maybe this one. Not sure how good it will be. Um, but as we can see, we got plenty for the rest of the month. So make sure you're watching this. We will update you. There's a lot to do in IPOs. It's the strategy is super simple and pretty dumb, but it's based on lots of momentum that will come in. So what you need to do in order to trade IPO correctly is just looking for momentum and look for the like the field, the sector, the hot sector. Yeah, exactly. Right, right. Something sexy, so everyone will like. Okay. So just a second. Okay, so that's it, I guess, for today. If you have any questions, feel free to Send us, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook. We are working our ass off in order to get you some good quality content that you can actually um, use that to trade better. So make sure you're watching and following. Daniel, any last word? Right, right. Cool. All right, guys, have a great trading day. Tomorrow we will see you Wednesday.